This is Annie from Everyday Nurse. Today I'm drinking this black juice. It's actually charcoal water. Activated charcoal is really great for you. It's a really great part of your detox journey. If you're detoxing, drink some activated charcoal. It's just made from charcoal. And you can look it up, see how you should take it, check with your doctor. If you take any medications, don't take it yet, talk to your doctor. But other than that, it'll really help you. If you have a bug bite, you can put a charcoal poultice on it. If your children have stomach aches, you can give them a little bit of charcoal. Again, this is not medical advice, but all right. Oh, and it also really helps you if you've got a bellyache or you've got a ton of gas. Okay, that's why they sell those little charcoal capsules in the stores. I just buy it in the powder form because it's a lot faster. I get it off of Amazon and it is just tasteless. It's tasteless. It's just black in color. But for my kids, sometimes I've made it into a lemonade. I'll add like lemons and like honey in there. So, and then in the summer I make like charcoal popsicles and they just love it. But they're getting all the benefits of charcoal and and lemon and honey, all that at the same time. All right, bye.